Hello again, YouTube. Have you ever sat and stared into the engine bay of your car in sheer disbelief of how unfathomably ugly your engine bay is? Me too. We're going to make some nice little washers that are probably going to contribute less than 2% of the beauty of my engine bay, but we're going to spend far too much time making them. So here we go. So unfortunately the engine bays in these cars do just tend to look pretty gross. There's a lot going on and Mazda didn't really make a good job of designing them. So you'll see at the end of the video we're going to be replacing these bolts here with some nice countersunk ones that fit into the washers and make at least this part of this mostly ugly engine bay look a little bit better. Okay, so this has been running for like 36 hours at this point. The idea is that the popcorn beads slowly polish the aluminium parts because aluminium's quite soft. So we'll pop this open, hopefully they're nice and shiny, and we'll do this together. I'm not actually sure. I threw this together in about 5 seconds, as you can see, with the quality build materials. So we'll see what happens. I don't really know. Definitely quite warm. There's definitely some friction going on inside the tub. So that was not a nice noise. It's nice and shiny inside the tin. The inside of the tin is polished to virtually a mirror finish, so that's anything to go by. And to be fair, they are pretty good. I'm going to have to dig them out because there's 8 tiny little washers in here and a whole lot of popcorn. So there's 4, and I'll get back to you when I've got all of these out. So I don't know how well you can see, they're pretty shiny. The light is reflecting off those pretty nicely. And I would say for the amount of effort I put in, not bad. So here we are. I know you're gripping onto the edges of your seats with excitement. But that was how I made 8 small, insignificant washers that probably made my engine bay 1% better. But we learnt something on the way, and we made some memories. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends, because maybe, probably, most likely I won't make any more of these in the future. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I spent 2 days making those stupid washers. I realised you can buy them online. What an idiot.